Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean the buzzer, that is the sound speaker, in the Motorola G10 phone. First we will definitely need a good brush. You can use either a standard flat one or a small round one. A bit stiffer, a little harder, so that it bounces back for us, so that it doesn't just bend right away and stop working. If we don't have one, a toothbrush will do. With soft or medium soft bristles, not hard, because a hard one will scratch your phone. Besides that, you'll also need 100% isopropyl alcohol, so that it's pure, so it fully evaporates after cleaning, and so that no residue is left on the phone. So, we moisten the brush as... If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just dip it in alcohol. You'll get the same effect. We take the phone in our hand. Of course, the phone must be turned off. We take the brush and clean out these holes here. The buzzer is here. That's a couple of rows of holes. So, simply, first in one direction, then in the other direction, a few times. And then again in another direction, and in the next direction, just to clean out the holes from every angle so that the alcohol gets in a bit, loosens and softens the dirt, and then it will allow us to clean it completely. If you don't have this kind of brush, you can just use this one. It makes no difference. The result will be the same. It's simply a matter of convenience, whether it's comfortable for you or not. We don't have a brush from that kind of set. You can buy one and use it. So a few times in one direction, a few times in the other. Upwards. Downwards. As I said, about 5 times in each direction. And that should do it. We set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate. This is important so you don't cause any problems for yourself. After 10 minutes, you can use the phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.